So I'm getting ready to add my credits at the end of my video. To do that, I need to get my image addresses. You can see here that I've gotten all the way through Octopus and that I've boiled it down to just the basics of that address. Let me go ahead and get Hummingbird here so you can see how I do it when I'm in Word. I'm going to edit the hyperlink, Control-C, copy the hyperlink, and then go down below my last one and Control-V, paste. It's only going to be a hyperlink if I press Enter after this, but we definitely need to erase anything at the beginning that doesn't have to do with the actual website. https:// does not belong in the credits. Neither does www. Those are things that are on all sorts of addresses, and we don't need to thank anybody who has that in there. Now, this is the rest of it. So anything after the first slash is not really necessary either. So we're going to thank wikimedia.org, the part of Wikipedia that has all the media in it. So let's go ahead and get Dragonfly here. So I'm going to click on Dragonfly, right-clicking, edit hyperlink, and copy. Go next, Control-V, and by pressing Enter, I can see already that I've got Wikimedia. So I don't need to thank the same website twice. So this is not necessary. Let's go to one more, Stake right here, right-click, edit hyperlink, copy it, Control-A, Control-C, make sure I've got that, and paste. So this is actually NEISD, admin, SharePoint, personal. This is in my documents. This is a Photoshop file. That does not seem right. So let's go and take a look at the stake picture. So I can go to my original image. I can go to my OneDrive favorite things and find my favorite assets, because that is going to be where I can get my picture of stake. And yes, something went wrong there when I was making that. So I'm going to copy the stake, go back to my Word document, and paste that URL. You can always use your originals as well. So this is the livestrong.com that I'm going to thank and delete everything after the first slash. Let's see if Apple's came out a little bit better. Let me edit the hyperlink, Control-C, copy. I believe I may have clicked on something there. And paste. When I press Enter, I know that I need to thank Quan Shui Wet Market. If I click here and go down, sometimes it'll select the whole thing. I like to come from the end, and it makes it a little easier. And that's what you do. Get all of the websites that you're going to thank for having those pictures. If we knew who actually took the picture, that's who we would thank. But at least we can say thank you to the websites where we got our pictures. I have one more here. Ice cream. Edit. Make sure you get them all, at least all the ones that you have. Okay. southernthing.com. No https://www. Just the .coms, the .nets, the .org, the .edu. There's a lot of different domains nowadays.